Let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Memaw's house. This is a really simple side dish for your summer barbecues, and I'll list the ingredients down in the description box. Based on the package instructions, we'll start by cooking our spaghetti in boiling salted water. The next step is to cut up all of our veggies and get them in bite-sized pieces. And for the tomato, you can use any type of tomato you choose. I just happen to have a slicing tomato in my refrigerator. But you can use Roma tomatoes or grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, and you would want to cut them in quarters. Now that the spaghetti is done, you want to rinse it off in cold water because this is a cool salad. It's for a barbecue after all, or for the summer. After you let it drain, go ahead and mix it with the rest of the ingredients. And if you'd like, you can put it in the refrigerator and let it cool for a couple of hours, or you can eat it just like it is. Now this salad seasoning has a little bit of salt in it, but it's not very salty. It is full of flavor. Now that all of your ingredients are in your bowl, go ahead and mix it well. You want to make sure that all of your noodles and vegetables are coated with the Italian dressing. And if you'd like, as a finishing touch, you can put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top and serve it. I didn't have any, so there you go. It's going to still be good. All right, my taste tester is here.
All right. It's delicious. I like it.
Do you like it? Good. We're going to have it with a little pork chop on the grill today.
Yum.
Hey y'all, so my spaghetti salad is all done and we plated it up. We barbecued some pork chops today and we're getting our dinner on because it's very easy, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll show you my plate and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Be blessed. Bye. So here's my plate, and yes, I do like a little char on my pork chop. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I appreciate you being here. Y'all be blessed. Bye.